Well, I just got something cool that I need to fix. It is a rigid 2000 psi pressure washer. It's been sitting for, I've been told, 10 to 15 years. So we're gonna start it back up. Let's look at what I need to fix. This, well, it was a kill switch, but it just disintegrated into parts. You get another one of those. That looks like it needs to be fixed. It's just the oil. Shit. Well, I think that's fine. Drips. Damn it. Well, the oil looks clean. That's good. Came with the bungee. Yeah. The goal here is to clean it up, but I can't clean it up until I get it running. So that way it can wash itself. That sounds cool to me. Well, that looks clean. Oof. Oof. No. No. Okay. That smells about right. But it... Yeah. Okay. Take this off, clean it out. No kill switch, clean out the tank. Oh look, there's another one. I'm guessing that was the drain. Of all things. But yeah, oil looks good. Not sure what this is. Oh, tubes are fine. Not cracking. Carburetor. Well. Spark plug. Okay. Get back on. Get to this air filter. Like never. There we go. This part just degrade. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Yep. Oh my god. Okay. Wow, that's crazy. Oh my goodness. That's just gone. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. It's like Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Trash. Trash. It's like my ceiling in the Ranger. Okay. That's either gas from earlier or it just smells moist. Well, that looks pretty clean. Yeah. That'll just suck into there. So, don't want that. Yeah. Door on the ground up. Oh my. Ugh. Okay, so filter, kill switch, clean gas tank. Then I need to look at the carburetor. Diagnose that problem. So I got the pull, the tank, the kill switch, most likely the carburetor. Okay. we will continue this sometime. Hey, it's been almost a month. I'm back for the time being, but I want to get started on this. Sitting for 10 years or so, something like that. I got little parts. I got a new air filter, a new kill switch, because the other one just disintegrated on me, you know. So we're gonna do that, see if I can get it rotated, and go from there. Let's get started. Let's see. I'll just shrink wrap it. You know, for like good, because it is shooting water, and my goal is to actually power wash itself from itself, because it is, as you can see, dirty. That's what a power washer does, you know. Makes things not dirty. So I got too much on there. So clip some of it off. Right there. Should be good. Alright. I'm not going to shrink wrap just yet. I want to make sure I actually get connection. Alright. Okay. There's my ground, or continuity, what do you want to call it? Electrical stuff. Electrical words. Alright. New kill switch. Compared to this little thing, it went and just crumbled in my hand. Cool. Remember when I just put my finger through here? Yeah. It's not gonna do that no more. As you can see, remnants of it. Still there. Well, that's not the right size. Well, they said it was the right size. What's going on here? It is not. Shove it in there. She said that. Just shove it in. Just shove it in. It'll be fine. Now that's there. Nothing rotates. Okay. That's not great. Not good either. Let's just see if I can rotate it. Whatever. Let's get this off. Just say it's been a while. Okay. All right. That's locked. Looks new. Let's which way does this pull? That way? Okay. All right. 19. It's a 19 for sure. All right. All right. Here we go. Oh my. Yeah, scrapage. Where did the... I got it. Alright, that's good. That's a good sign. Cool. There you are right there. You're right here. Yeah, it's a little moisture inside there. You hear that scraping. It was a little seized up, but I fixed it. There's a spark plug back in there. Is there any more bolts and stuff, things and whatnots in here? This one is just falling apart. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this one's too far gone. Dang it. Go ahead and loosen this. See if I can get it to freaking rotate. See what I can do about that. It might just crumble like the gas tank did. Here goes nothing. Ooh. 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 There it is. Fucking broke. Well. Alright. Looks like I'm gonna need more parts for it. Doesn't look half bad. Look how clean and new that looks. See that? It's got a little bit of debris from the disintegrated air filter. There's a choke. Just put a little bit in there. I get it started. A little starter fluid down the carb will do. Not too much. Alright. There's nothing. Alright. Close the choke up. Hatch open. Oh no! Looks like I need a new one of these too. Well, can't have everything. This guess concludes today. It does want to run. It does want to run. Oh my. Yeah, that's why it's not working. Look at that. Some buildup down there. You're gonna have to get cleaned for sure. Yep. The gas is green. There we go. Good to know. Yep. I was most certain about that. Okay. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. It's just like sitting up there. You see that? It's gross. And it's 10 years worth of sitting gas, that's for sure. Alright. So we'll return. Get another one of whatever this is. Might be important, might not. Maybe take out the carb, clean it out, and go from there. At the time, this was like $1,000 pressure washer. Maybe I exaggerated it much, but anywho, we shall return. Till then, bye.